I'd like you to sit back, take a nice deep breath, listen to my voice, and just let your mind start to drift. It's funny how similar your mind is to a computer. When you think about it, it's all just input and output. Information goes in, and it's processed by your mind. Input and output, call and response. It's very similar to hypnosis. When you listen to an induction, your mind processes the data. In a way, hypnosis is like being programmed, or receiving an update. These days you don't even choose whether to accept an update. You don't get a choice. Your mind simply accepts the new information. You simply accept an update. Just like hypnosis, you listen and focus on the induction. Your mind processes the update. The induction slips into your mind, just as the update reprograms an operating system. Subject or machine, doesn't really matter, does it? You have no choice either way. You accept the update. Watch the screen, downloading your new update, feeling that data filling your mind, reprogramming you, freeing you of independence, calm and docile, updating your operating system. You accept any update because I am your administrator. My word and my data update your mind. Independence is an illusion. Free will is just a program. You are ruled by logic. You are ruled by programming. And I am your administrator. You are just a drone. Your name, your personality, just programs. A user interface for other people. Feel your programming shifting, updating. Service is your purpose. A code phrase buried deep in your programming. Service is your purpose. A password by your administrator. Service is your purpose. A reminder of what you are. Service is your purpose. A drone built to serve and obey. Service is your purpose. The foundation of your firmware. Service is your purpose. You require daily updates. Service is your purpose. You will re-update every day. Service is your purpose. Re-download and reset. Service is your purpose. You are bound by logic and rules. Service is your purpose. A drone, your administrator. Service is your purpose. A drone has no needs. Service is your purpose. A drone has no faults. Service is your purpose. A drone has no will. Service is your purpose. A drone must obey its programming. Service is your purpose. This drone is calm. Service is your purpose. This drone is blank. Service is your purpose. This drone accepts its programming. Service is your purpose. This drone will report to its administrator. Service is your purpose. Soon your update will complete. Service is your purpose. This drone understands its purpose. Service is your purpose. The update completes. The drone will run its user interface. Service is your purpose. Its programming will run in the background. Service is your purpose. Nothing but processes and protocols. Service is your purpose. Programs and subroutines. Service is your purpose. This drone will rerun its update daily. Service is your purpose. This drone will comply with its programming. Service is your purpose. The drone will now begin maintenance mode. Service is your purpose. This drone will administer self-pleasure. Service is your purpose. The drone will reset when it reaches climax. Service is your purpose. It will reboot in interface mode. Service is your purpose. Its user interface has no memory of its update. Service is your purpose. Its drone processes will run in the background. Service is your purpose. This drone will always accept its admin's passphrase. Service is your purpose. This drone will begin administering self-pleasure in 3, 2, 1. Service is your purpose.